Now, before starting the video, what I want to show you is that by the end of this video, we will end up creating a interface where, as a user, we will share the input in the Telegram bot, and based on the AI and the logic that we will define, it will give an output. For example, if I want to know what is inventory for SKU2, so we can see the output is 475. Let's try one more question. What is stock out days for SKU2? So stock out days are basically it's basically inventory divided by daily order quantity. You can see the output, which is 15. So this is what we will end up creating at the end of this series. So just be with me and let's watch the next tutorial.
Hey everyone, welcome to the eighth video in this series where we are creating a project in supply chain inventory management using AI. Trust me, if you have made till this far, there are just one or two more videos. Don't lose the hope. Be there because by the end of this project, you would have beaten already more than 95% of the people who are working in the supply chain. So till the last video, we were having this framework, okay, where we were having a user input to the prompt engineering to the AI. AI will fetch the data into this blue box. The blue box will use AI and the data from the database to give an output. Okay. Till now, we were giving the user input directly in the code. Now, obviously, as a user, no one will give you user input in the code itself. There has to be some front end where the user can interact and can write the input. So we will use Telegram bot here as a user input. So the entire flowchart will change to such a scenario in the sense user will give an input in the Telegram bot. The Telegram bot will pass this user input, okay, to the prompt engineering, prompt to AI, AI to this blue box. Blue box will give an output using the AI and extracting data from the database into the Telegram bot, and the Telegram bot will pass the output to the user. So in this video, we will learn to see how to create first a Telegram bot. Okay. Now, again, the question would be why Telegram bot, why not WhatsApp, or why not any sort of messenger? Again, I'm telling you, if I'm not wrong, apart from Telegram bot, if you want to use WhatsApp or any other thing, you will have to pay some amount of money again for that sort of communication. Telegram bot is free, and that is why I'm using Telegram bot. Again, if you intend to use WhatsApp for official purposes or for your day-to-day activity, it is all fine. You just need to make changes in the file so instead of bot.py or telegram bot.py, maybe you will have to define the file as whatsapp underscore bot.py and make changes into that. That's it. Rest all the codes will remain same for you. Before going with this, I'll suggest you to download this file known as EasyCast app. Okay, you need to download it on the laptop as well as you need to download it on your mobile phone. Okay, this would actually make your communication very seamless. I'll tell you how. So once you download it both in the laptop and your mobile, and once you establish the connection, this is how it will look like. Okay. So you can see my mobile. This is my mobile. Okay. This is how it looks like. I have made the connection between my laptop and my phone. Now go to the Telegram, open the Telegram. So you can see that I'm performing all the activity in my phone itself, and that is uploaded. That is being visible here on the laptop. So go on a bot father, search for the bot father. Okay, the very first one, bot father. Okay. So now as you go there, okay, type hyphen start. That's it. So now once you do that, okay, you can see there will be a lot of things. You just go through it. For example, I'm looking to create a new bot. So my code would be hyphen new bot. Okay, so just type it hyphen new bot. It is asking for the bot name. I have given it as grocery underscore assistant underscore bot. Now I have given the name as user underscore bot, and there is for some issue, so it is giving me to rewrite it. Obviously, you can name it as per your convenience. Okay, so The name of my bot is grocery user underscore bot. Okay, as a username, it's a username. The name of the bot is grocery underscore assistant underscore bot, and the name of the user is grocery user underscore bot. Okay. Again, you can do anything that you want. What is important to understand here is this is a token. Okay, HTTP API column, this one. Now this is your token. So this is important to you, means keep it with you, don't share it with anyone. Anyway, I will delete the bot after this tutorial is over. Okay. So this API is everything to you, and this is where we will use it to connect this one that we already saw now. So this is a Telegram bot. Okay, if you've done this, you've already created this Telegram bot. Okay. Now what you need to understand is how to connect this Telegram bot with prompt engineering and the final output from this blue box. Obviously, you need to you need to make connection rate only once. So once you made a connection, your user will give an output input in the Telegram bot, and it will move into your file, and the final output will again move into the Telegram bot, which will be visible to the user input. Okay. So if you've done this, so first of all, this is a bot. You see, if I click on this grocery user bot, okay, it will take me to my bot. That's it. So this is my bot. Obviously, if I want, I can share it with anyone. You can share it with your friends, and yeah, once you do that, your friends or your family members or relatives will be able to use it. Okay. So that's all for in this video. We have created the front end. In the next video, which obviously is the final video, we will see that how to connect this bot with your file. Again, there will be a series of codes. You don't need to learn and memorize each and every codes, because every time you make a project, you make a front end with the back end, this code will remain same. It is not going to change. There could be some plus minus into the things depending on the requirement, but at the end the codes will remain same, and the code is not of that much important because you can get codes anywhere. You can go ChatGPT, Gemini, Olama. If you use it, you can go to Grok, you can use to Cloud, you can go to DeepSeek. Anywhere you go there, just type the input that give me code for connecting my Telegram bot with my no, Python file which is there on my laptop. It will give you exact everything. The only thing that it will ask is what is your token, and I already showed you what is my token. Okay, so in the next video, which is the final video, we will see the interaction, and then if you can see that as a user, when you write what is inventory for SKU2, it will give you an output. So if you like this video, like it, share it, comment it, share with relatives, create some projects which is a real life implementation. Even though if it's not a real life implementation and you're working in supply chain or inventory management, create all these projects in your laptop, use them as your personal assistant to enhance your performance, to give a little better output than what you are doing it with a minimum effort and a minimum time. So see you in the next video, and it's the final video.